Happy Sunday. Just finished working out. Hi guys, happy Sunday. Very demure, very mindful. Do you want to say anything?
Oh, hi.
Say hey.
Hi.
There's Doug. Thanks, Doug. You guys, I just finished lunch. It, I think, is like 1. I'm headed back to school today. Class has gone well. Today I'm a little extra like zapped. I don't know. Anyway, has gone well so far today. I have about 2 hours left when I get back. Hero was good. I tried the chicken salad today. It was super yummy. I'm really tired. I only had the chance to have 1 cup of coffee this morning, and I just had a cold brew at Hero, so hopefully that jolts me back alive. This is the first time I've ever been into it at home, and this is insane. So much stuff. Sorry. I want everything off this aisle. The gold frames. Insane. Quickly, before you guys die, I just unboxed for TikTok my temu haul. I had never ordered, but I finally was like, you know what, I'm gonna try it. So I ordered this American sweater. I've always wanted like the Ralph Lauren sweater. And so anyway, always wanted the Ralph Lauren sweater. So I ordered this. So cute. Like seriously so cute. I got this super like cute dainty watch that goes great with my gold beads. And then I got this necklace that I've literally wanted all summer. It is so pretty. And then they sent me this for free. One of the Jolly House little makeup bags. You're joking. Amazing. Seriously, look how cute that is. Okay, my camera's dying. I love you. I will probably see you tomorrow because I'm going to sit and edit for like the next few hours. Good morning. You guys probably can't hear me that well, but it's 9:30. It's the Thursday. I have the day off. I have a lot of schoolwork I need to do. Also, if you can't tell, I don't feel great. I was hoping to go to a coffee shop to do work, but we will say it might end up being at home. Also, if you're wondering what is in the background, that is one of my covers drying. So. Anyway, so the plans are take medicine, maybe go to the coffee shop that I went to the other day I showed you guys, and I want to read some, obviously do my homework. I'm trying to think if I'm missing anything. I think that's basically all I have to do. I gotta see, I can't remember how much content I have. Hi guys, I didn't film anything. I filmed a TikTok. So I just got back from TJ Maxx, Chick-fil-A, Walgreens. Chick-fil-A, this is my new favorite meal. I tell someone to share it. And it is oh so delicious. Okay. Because a lot of times like I'm in a time crunch. I don't want to keep eating like nasty fried food every single time. So instead I got macaroni. But it's like you get a 12 count and then you get macaroni, then you get buffalo sauce, which I like buffalo sauce because it doesn't have any sugar in it, which is nice. And you mix it all together. You're supposed to ask for like a salad bowl thing, but I forgot to the other day, and now I'm at home so I can mix it together at home. And super delish. Okay, from Libya, TJ Maxx and Home Goods. I needed, this was one of the needs, and this one was on sale for $12, and honestly it's really nice. It's a Martha Stewart, and it's got both sides obviously, and it's like padded on the bottom. It has this little spot, and it's the price of what like most of them were, which was $12, which is really nice. So excited for that. You guys know this is my bedspread pattern, and they had this in the clearance section, so I decided to get it because I only have 2 right now, so everything works out perfectly. And then you guys, this is, I really didn't need this, but they had my favorite little shortbread, and they have them in snack packs. So there's 12 little snack packs, and do I need 12 snack packs? Probably not, but I think it'll be better than me eating an entire container in one sitting. And then I really wanted coffee. That's kind of what I went for, on top of, along with like Halloween decor. And they had so many good things, but they didn't have exactly what I wanted, so we left with nothing. This was, I wanted a decaf, and this was the only one I could find that wasn't the smaller Nespresso. So it's just ground. It's caramel nut decaf. Ground coffee. It's a light roast. This is the brand. They had another one from Brooklyn that looked really good, but this one was on sale, so obviously I got the one on sale. And then I ran out of K-Cups, and this one looked good. It's just a breakfast blend. I was gonna get they had a Starbucks, but I wanted to try this to see if I liked it. And then lastly, sometimes I'm just like running late for class or whatever, work, and I just want a travel cup that I can throw on, and I don't have to look for a lid, and I can toss it away. And this one is so cute. I mean, seriously, they had so many cute things. And then I almost got this London, it's like one of those decorative book things, you know, that looks like a book, but it's actually something you put stuff in. And I just didn't need it, so I didn't get it. I had it until I went to go check out, and I was like, I really don't need this, so I put it back. Anyway, oh, I forgot I went to Walgreens too. I forgot that our pharmacy closed early now, so I just got the other things that weren't my medications to pick up. I got some liquid IVs, flossers, double pack of my hair deodorant. Thank goodness I haven't been able to find it anywhere, and they had it. So, oh, and then toothpaste. Big sleigh, big sleigh. Happy Labor Day. I haven't vlogged anything all weekend. Here's my little fit check. Hey! Obsessed with my hat. Isn't she so cute? This is indeed my third time here this week.
They talked about doing like,
Yeah, people, I don't know, I guess they don't know how to tie it up. it good?
Real good.
I added butter pecan because that's the one I usually get from Dunkin', and Jessica told me it was good, so. Oh yeah, apparently their frappuccinos are really good. Yeah. Well, he's young like him, sort of. Who's the kid that was standing here?
Do you like some chips? Is it good for
And stuff is.
Wider than a mouse. I'm crossing you in style someday. Old dream maker, you heartbreaker. Wherever you're going, I'm going your way.
You guys, I want this bag so bad. She's so cute.
Drifters, all to see the world. There's such a lot of world to see. We're after the same rainbows and waiting round the bend.
And Sprouts. My outfit's slaying. First of all, I got a new air fryer. Fit check. I had on my cute sparkly Betsy Johnson shoes, and I wanted to take a picture of this outfit so bad, and I completely forgot. But, oh, I'm all out of breath because it's so hot outside. I just got back picking up Amazon packages. I ordered these. I don't know if I'm gonna keep them or not. I've been wanting to see what these frames look like on my face. And I also thought I broke my Amazon sunnies and I wasn't gonna be able to fix them, but I ended up being able to fix them. So I don't know if I actually need them. It depends how good they look on my face. I'm also like dying. Ignore my hair. But let's see what they look like. Oh, interesting. I kept going back and forth on which ones I wanted. I kind of like them. Ooh. I really like them. Okay, anyway, so I think those are a keeper. I'll link them down below if you guys want to order them. They have them in a million different like color combos. So did a refill of this one, and I was gonna order the bigger version this time, but I threw out my tube and I was just gonna refill the small tube I had for my trip. But since I'm going super soon on a carry-on only trip, I decided to get the small one again. So I just got back from Sprouts. I got some fruit, avocado, a little Roma tomato, some bananas. I got this fruit jerky to try, but now that I have it, I'm thinking I tried it and I didn't like it. And I got these gluten-free like flatbreads, and I just threw these in here. I saw someone talk about these on TikTok, so I wanted to try and see if I liked it versus like RV versus liquid IV. I'm like losing a gear. But what else did we get? I got some more turkey burgers, some more of my favorite sweet potato fries. I got a new brand of salmon to try, and they're actually from Bristol Bay, which I think is where my cousins fish. It's in Alaska, but anyway. So I got those. You guys, I know I was forgetting something. First of all, I started using this like quilt instead of my regular one because I think it was making my allergies worse. I got this. I've been wanting to read it, so I'm gonna start this today. Very Bad Company. I really liked her books, Bad Summer People. I love that. I read it last year. But let me show you guys. It's been like heavy shopping. This is the end of it, like clothes wise, except for one more thing I need. Okay, first of all, I don't think I showed you guys this, but like I've said like a million times, I'm going on a trip basically this month, but like basically a month from today. And I can only have a carry-on, and it's not supposed to be a suitcase, so I got this. It's one of the like duffel book bags, so it's super big and it expands. Like I don't know if you can tell how big it is. Oh, here it is. So it has a front pocket, but it's literally like the size of a duffel in here. So I got that for my trip because we're flying on like one of those really small planes. And yeah, anyway, so I'll show you guys what I got from Belk. I got all this on sale. I'm really excited. My dad and I went shopping, and I love shopping with my dad because he always picks out the best stuff. So it took us forever, but we found some good pieces. I got a little Oxford / boyfriend shirt. I love the color. They had a different color combo, the same brand. The brand is Wonderly, and I think actually almost all my tops I think all of them actually are Wonderly. Did I get one? I got one Crown and Ivory, but how cute. So cute. I didn't realize until I got home, like both of these are Hawaii vibes, so I can definitely take these, I think, on my trip to Hawaii. Like this is giving like sort of luau vibes, right? Anyway, it's really comfortable, but either way, I got this. I love this. I love the pink color, and you guys, this was literally on sale for like $11. Oh my gosh, I literally love it so much. Oh, it's so soft. Like I don't know what, I think this must be like 100% cotton, but oh my gosh, look at I love it. It's so cute. Anyway, so I think I'm gonna end it off here. I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in the next video. I just want to thank you guys so much for all the love and support on my first like brand partnership. It was so much fun to film and so much fun to work with Halara. I'm literally obsessed with her clothes. I wore the waffle knit pants to work like the day before yesterday, and absolutely insane. They're so soft and so comfy. It feels like I'm wearing leggings or pajama pants at work, but they look like work pants. So anyway, okay.